Numbers 7 and 8 tell you to solve using any method, but they're definitely set up to make one method easier than the others. In the case of number 7, because we have a y that's all by itself, it's set up mainly for substitution. Because we know that y is the same as 3x, so I can change my y to a 3x and solve it. 12x minus 4 times 3x equals 2. 4 times 3x is 12x, and it was a negative 4, so it's negative 12x. So 12x minus 12x equals 2. Well, we know that 12x minus 12x is going to cancel out, and there will be 0 left. So we're left with a statement 0 equals 2. If the variables drop out and we're left with a false statement, the answer is that there are no solutions. If the variable drops out and we're left with a true statement, the answer is that there are an infinite amount of solutions, infinitely many solutions, which you could abbreviate IMS. Number 17 is set up more for elimination, but we need to multiply both equations to get them to line up. I'm going to multiply the top equation by 2 and the bottom equation by 3. The 2 times negative 6 would give me a negative 12, and the 3 times 4 will give me a 12. So I know the negative 12 and the 12x's will cross out. When I multiply all three things in the top equation by 2, I'll end up with negative 12x minus 24y equals 16. And when I multiply everything in the bottom equation by 3, I'll end up with 12x plus 24y equals negative 12. Now when I add the equations together, negative 12x and 12x are going to cross out into 0. Negative 24 and positive 24 will also cancel each other out. So again, we're left with 0 on the left side equals 16 minus 12, which is 4. Again, the variables have dropped out and we're left with a false statement, so the answer is no solutions.